Watch upstairs. Here, I'm watching through here. I got you covered. Go ahead.
Go. Bridge. Are you hit? Alright, let's keep going.
Come on, guys.
Keep moving down. I'll cover.
Alright, let's stay far away from this. Hey, what do you see? I don't see nothing. I'm trying to shoot through the crack underneath there.
We gotta push up there. We got an infinite respawn. Let's go. Yo, come on, guys. Dude, I hit you, man. Come on. We got friendlies up there, right? Okay. Yo. Hang on. Right, move right. Move around, let's go. Keep moving, guys, come on, go. Keep moving, let's go. All the way. Hey. Oh, they must have stepped on the ID or something. Hey, cover, let us move over. There's not enough room here, guy. You gotta move up a bit.
Go. Watch the left one come in.
What's going on here?
There's one and that one on the left.
Really?
As far as I know, there's more of that. Can't get them.
There's nothing here? Alright, hey guys. Here, watch out. Keep going. I'm right behind you.
Alright. Get down. Okay, go.
Hit. Alright, I'm moving in. I'm gonna go right.
You're gonna go right?
I'm going right. Someone watch my left when I go, alright?
Okay.
1, 2.
Hit.
Hit. Look, come on guys, let's just pop out.
Okay, so let's just fire on the room.
Hit.
Watch your back.
I'm gonna go around the right, okay? Yellow beds?
Yeah.
Yellow. Yellow's on the right.
Yeah, I know. All right. Push down this way. We need help. Hey, I think we got a hostage.
Hey, we gotta push up on these guys down there. Give them some cover.
Line 6.
Alright, moving.
Alright, I'm watching the right. Hey, Clarence, watch your right. Watch your right down the hall.
Yeah, I got it.
out. There's still one guy in the hall, one guy poking his head around.
All right, I'm gonna go up there.
All right, wait, let me give you some cover.
Nice. Moving. Bathroom's clear.
Bathroom's clear?
Yeah, we're good here.
So we got all friendlies in here. Two guys in there and then one guy over there. Do we know where the hostages are at? I know that we got one out there.
We got two actually. Two. Yeah, let's go.
All right. They have guys behind the counter all the way back. Here, wait. Let me use some cover from up here.
I got it. Let me know when to go.
All right, you're good up to the hallway there. You're good through the hallway.
Covering. We go through that corner.
All right, we're going to do this one.
Got it.
You cover this one.
Cover the hallway.
I'm watching the phone.
Bang, bang. Oh, you're friendly. Are you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is that what you normally wear?
What?
Is that what you normally wear?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Where's the yellow
He's an
band?
attacker. He's an attacker. It's on his face.
Alright.
Sorry about that, bro.
Sorry. Just want to make sure. Alright, got it.
Alright, so there's one guy behind, two guys behind the counter.
Yeah, they're shooting at us. Alright, I'm gonna burst out. Are you hit?
No, I'm good. Alright, let me give you some cover. Ready?
Stay back. Stay right here.
Go.
Okay. Dead man. Excuse me.
One.
Gas mask. What you got over there?
Dead man, dead man.
Trying to get him, so just keep ducking.
Alright.
Other than that, I think that's pretty much the plan. We're just trying to get these people out of there.
Cool.
I know we have sausages out there.
Yo. Suppress. Ready? Take her down, guys.
You're a black guy, right?
What? No, I could see.
Your name Black?
What?
Code Black, I thought.
No, you're dead.
Oh.
Sorry about that.
What the fuck?
Sorry, dude. Just get out of the way. There's bad guys in there. Are you dead right there? Are you dead? Stand up. Get out. All right, let's go. I don't know, but we gotta get in there.
Go, I'm still gonna go.
Oh shit. Ah. All right. Pretty sure I shot him too, but it's okay. Game over? We still got guys up there. Let's go. Let's finish them. for you.
No, there's nothing seen.
You got bad guys down there? You see them? Can you just shoot over there? Suppress them. Move up, guys. Let's go. Move it, move it. One behind the bar right there. They're all dead. Keep your guns up. Watch out for hostages. Get that door open right there.
Door! It's locked.
That's locked.
This ain't. Security! Security
forces! Security!
Back to the clear!
Clear!
We need one guy to help take them out there.
Alright. Hey, just cleared the back. It's all clear over here. We got a hostage. We got to clear him out. Alright, I got you, man. Got security. Hey, is that door clear down there? Can we go through? Down this way. Keep going, keep going. Alright, stay. Alright, I think we're good.
You guys didn't touch anything sharp. God, no.
Got a hostage.
Oh, that's a door frame. That is a door frame.
Alright.
Here, let me go out.
Well, what's going on?
No, grab me an arm man. Okay, let's go.
Let's go back in.
We got one hostage?
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah. That's what happened, man.
Help him up, guys. Come on. What are you doing?
My legs are broken, man. Alright.
Carry him. You guys, let's go.
Okay. Well, no, we already dragged him over here. So he's our team now.
Yeah, but you guys go all the way down there and get a flag. Come on, dude. Let's go.
Oh, hell no. Get your ass up. I'm gonna drag you.
That's how you do it right there.
Come here, man. Come here. All right.
Cool. Good job. I'll go around the right, okay? Just, if you see him, just shoot him.
You got two guys in the bathroom. Or not bathroom. They're all corners.
Alright. We got a flush out here. Here, I'll move. I think there's a door right in front of their spawn in the right.
Yep.
I think we haven't checked that one yet.
So there's one on the right, let's see. I saw there's like 3 guys in there.
Yo, suppress, guys. Hey, we'll cover you. You move up a bit, alright? Covering. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Hold. Cover, guys, cover. Alright, moving up. Oh, you didn't say anything. Shit. Let's go, hustle up.
Alright, we got 2 more of the hostages. So we just have 2 to go.
Yeah, they're in the back. I had no idea that hallway was open like that.
Yeah, there were a couple guys. You remember that corner where you and I were going around at first? And then we were like, So you got hit from the corner, went around, grabbed the guy's barrel, and then so as I did, he just blindly, the other two guys behind the wall came around and blinded her. Just like, oh, come on. I was like, oh well, come on. Look out for the frame.
Yeah. Okay. Back in action. Let's go.
Back in action? Yeah.
All right.
Around there.
ID's disarmed.
ID's disarmed.
Where's it at? Where's it
In the
at?
hallway, but it's down.
Right there. Back there, it's fine. Okay. We got that up
Watch. Got bad guys at the end there?
We cleared out all space, that's all ours.
That's all ours over there?
Hey, guys. So this is the last one. We check the front of the door call.
Do we have the hostages?
Any
All right, here. Did we fully clear them out of downstairs? Because I don't know if there were hostages downstairs.
Everyone's the hostage, so I know. Don't think so. Are we sure we got one more down there?
Hey, guess how many people I killed with this pistol? I killed two. I got 2 people with this pistol.
Back on that bathroom.
They're in there, guys.
Don't go in with your guns up, Mr. Hostage.
Hey, keep security all around. There's more than enough people over here. You get 360.
Be careful. Back up. Guys, it's going to be impossible moving there and get shot at.
This is 360. There's a respawn back there. I'm not sure if they're still doing that. Hey, all the bad guys walked out. They might come back in. You don't know.
You gotta check the Who's watching the hospital? Go down. You guys check panic room? No panic room is their spawn. Game.
Good.
You rescue